BISP Solutions. BISP Solution is a tech company that provides technical solutions across the world. So today we will be taking topic fixed assets management basics. So first of all, uh, we would love to know that fixed assets management, what is the meaning of fixed assets management, which we have discussed earlier in our videos. But for an because we are starting our practical part from today onwards. So, first of all, we should know and we can revise the meaning of fixed assets management. So, it is a process within an organization accounting and financial management system that tracks, maintains, and manages tangible assets like property, equipment, and machinery. So, effective fixed assets management ensures accurate valuation, monitoring, and recording of assets, allowing businesses to maximize their value and streamline operations. So, first of all, we will be taking system setup. So, setting up the fixed assets management system in NetSuite involves configuring various settings and processes to ensure tracking, depreciation, and management of assets accurately. Okay. So if we want to navigate through NetSuite application and what we have understood, yes, in our earlier sessions that we have to go to these three dots. Under three dots, we will be getting fixed assets, and under fixed assets, we will be getting setup. And under setup, we will be setting up our system for our business organization. So in my page, I have already set it up the fixed assets management tab. So as per your company's norm, you can select from here what all you want or what you don't. You can just click on this checkbox. Then here you can see integer currencies are there, asset disposal, invoice form is there, summarize journals by assets or parent or subcategories there. So as per your company norms, as per your job demands, you can just select from here. Then reports, whatever reports you want to use or any reports which you have already maintained in some folder, you can just provide the number here. Then as you all can see, here are many options like preferred asset register template, preferred asset summary template, and you can select it from here, anything you want. Then country specific. So in our system, as NetSuite we are using is a test environment. So currently the country we are using as Japan, and rounding method is round off, round down, round up. So for these three, we will discuss in our next session about what is rounding off, rounding down, and rounding up. So this is how we can set up our fixed assets management in NetSuite application. Then comes our asset types. So yesterday or in our previous videos, we have discussed what is asset type. So in NetSuite, fixed assets management module, an asset type represent a specific category or classification of fixed assets. So it defines the key attributes that assets within that category will share, such as the depreciation method, useful life, and residual value. So setting up asset types in NetSuite enables standardized asset tracking and financial reporting across similar types of assets. So if we want to navigate through NetSuite application, we will be going back to our NetSuite. Then again clicking on these three dots, under three dots, fixed assets, under setup, we will be getting asset types. So asset types. So we can see here many assets are made already. So if we want to view any one asset, so let's suppose we are using this. leasehold improvements, and clicking on view option, we will be getting into this particular leasehold improvements page. So here we can see the name of the asset, description is vehicles, accounting method they are using as straight line, and residual percentage is 0%, asset lifetime is 60. Because we have selected here monthly basis, so as per months, asset lifetime is 60, and according to year, it is 5 years. So this is how asset type is made in NetSuite application. Or if you want to make a new FAM asset type, we can click on this particular blue tab, and let's suppose we are making for our car. Description, whatever you want to make, you can make, and we are using straight line depreciation. Residual percentage, we are fixing it for 10%, and lifetime of asset, let's suppose 5 years we are taking, and in general we will be activating activating depreciation as true, and financial year start for April, and accounts. In this 3, 4, 6 accounts, we have to first make chart of accounts for the same. So for now, we are saving the same FAM asset type for car. So we have make an asset for car. So now we will be making a chart of account for car only. So clicking on new. So first of all, we will be making for we are making for our car. So car account. It is a fixed asset for our company, selecting subsidiary parent company, and clicking on control option and selecting all the fixed assets management, and then saving the same. So we have created 901 as car account. Then we have to make a depreciation account also. So 902 depreciation account for car. As our company purchased a car, so that's why we are making this account. So depreciation is an expense for our company, and again we will be selecting all the fixed assets which will be shown in fixed assets management. So we have made two chart of accounts. First is for car account and second is for depreciation account. Then we are making a accumulated depreciation account. So 903 for car. Okay. Then it will be coming under other current liability, and subsidiary is selected, show in fixed assets management. So we have made three. Now we have to make a new chart of account for gain or sorry, gain or loss account, which is for car. So number 904. again selecting fixed assets management, and then saving the same. So we have made three types of chart accounts. Like, can this is the current chart of account which we made for car account, then depreciation account, then accumulated, then gain or loss account. All four are made. So again, coming back to our FAM asset type, then editing the same, and under workflow, there's no need, journal is not need. We have provided the same accounts. Asset account is for car account, so we have selected from here. Depreciation account, so we have created depreciation account for car. Disposal we are making for a gain or loss account. Written down accumulated car account, and we will be saving the same. So this is how we can make fixed assets management asset type for car in NetSuite applications. Then comes our depreciation methods. So previously we have discussed about depreciation method in NetSuite application. So NetSuite provides several methods within its fixed assets management module, allowing businesses to choose the most suitable approach for calculating and recording the depreciation for their assets. So depreciation methods are essential because they impact the asset's book value over the time, influencing financial statements and tax reporting. So if we want to navigate through NetSuite applications, so we will be going back to our main screen, then three dots, fixed assets, setup, and under setup we will be getting depreciation methods. Here we can see there are many 32 depreciation methods are already made. So if we want to create a new FAM depreciation method, so we can click on this particular option, and we are making straight line method we want to use, and depreciation monthly we are selecting as annually, and depreciation formula fully depreciation. So this is from this page we can make FAM depreciation method in NetSuite applications. Then comes our alternate methods. So in NetSuite fixed assets management module, alternate depreciation methods allows companies to define and apply different depreciation calculation for specific purposes such as reporting, alternate financial reporting, or internal accounting requirements. These methods operate alongside the primary depreciation method and give organization flexibility in asset management and reporting. So alternate method is for depreciation only. So in this alternate method of depreciation is used for mainly tax purpose only. So this all the things will be same which we have seen in depreciation method tab. All things are same. It's just it is calculated for taxation purpose. So in conclusion, NetSuite Fixed Assets Management module offers a comprehensive, efficient, and scalable solution for tracking, managing, and depreciating assets throughout their life cycle. So, by centralizing asset data, automating depreciation calculation, and ensuring compliance with accounting standards, businesses can enhance operational efficiency, improve financial reporting, and reduce manual errors. So NetSuite's integration with other modules and its cloud-based nature also provide a seamless user experience, empowering organizations to manage their assets more effectively regardless their size or complexity. So thank you for joining me in this session of fixed assets management module. I hope this session has provided you with valuable insights into how FAM can streamline assets management and support your financial processes. If you have any questions or need further details, feel free to reach out. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. And stay tuned for the next module in our next NetSuite training series.